Maybe right now you're facing unfairness, harsh words, injustice, even betrayal. Sometimes it's from classmates, co-workers, and even those closest to you, friends and family. Some may act kind on the surface while hiding harmful intentions underneath. It hurts, it feels personal, and it's hard to make sense of it. Still, here's the truth. When you stay faithful to what God has called you to do, even the plans meant to harm you can be turned for good. Just like Joseph, in Genesis 50:20, he says, "As for you, you meant evil against me, but God meant it for good, to bring it about that many people should be kept alive as they are today." What was meant for evil, God used for good. Yes, you'll be hurt. Yes, you may feel betrayed or thrown into dark places. But don't lose heart. Trust God. He sees, He knows, and He cares for you.